what's up everybody, Rakesh here from Popingo, and in this video I'm going to show you a trick to convert a JPG image to a transparent image. Without wasting much time, let's get this started. Here's my assistant Mr. Robo. He's bored with the grey background and he was always asking me to change the background to transparent so that he can blend in anywhere he wants. So in order to remove the background, first I will have to select the magic wand tool that can be found here. If it is not found here, you can right click and select magic wand tool or use shortcut W. Using magic wand tool, click on the gray area in the background and notice that it automatically selects the complete area in gray. If it did not select a particular part of the image, you can also manually select the part of the image as you need. Let me first select the entire background outside. So once that is done, I'll just have to hit delete. And if there are any parts of the image that are not selected yet, you can make the selection again and delete. So do the same for all the parts of the image until you are satisfied with the image. And now you are just left with one more step. That is to export it to PNG. So in order to do that, go to File, Export and quick export as PNG. So after you save the image, let's go to the folder where it is saved and let's see the image now. So as you can see, the image is not having any background at all. Alright, thanks for watching folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more such videos, subscribe to our channel. See ya.